Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can open the SIM slot on Motorola Moto G04 and G04s. Of course, in order to open the SIM slot, we need to use the pin, which should be included in the box of the smartphone. Then on the left side of the smartphone, over here, we can find this little dot over here, a black hole, and we need to pretty much insert the pin into that hole and then push it in order to take this element out. This one is for the SIM card and for the memory card as well. And as you can see over here, we have space or slots, 2 slots for SIM cards and 1 slot for the memory card. And then of course, if you need to put it back in, then we can easily do that as well. Keep in mind that, as you can see over here, this is the front. We can recognize this by these text, these markings over here. So let's put it back in, and there we go. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.